Students of class 9 and 10, welcome back to a new chapter. Today we're going to learn another part of grammar and composition. This is regarding section B of your writing, and today we will learn how to write an essay. Basically, essay writing or an essay is a piece of writing or a content or an attempt or an exercise, or rather an effort to express one's opinion on some given topic. So you'll basically be given a topic and you have to write your ideas or whatever comes into your mind regarding the given topic. So you have to write on that. And it is a part of composition. You'll have to compose it. You'll have to make up your own words and try and finish the essay. And essays are not basically short, they can go to a length of multiple paragraphs. For obvious reasons, it is not a paragraph, so an essay will consist of multiple paragraphs. There are 5 types of an essay. The first is descriptive type. In a descriptive essay, what you usually do is you're given a topic regarding, let's say, a person, a celebrity, or any random person, or an animal, or a place, or a thing, and you need to write describing that topic. The second type of essay is narrative. In a narrative essay, what you usually do is you narrate the events or incidents or the journey or a biography. So basically, you are the one composing the whole essay and you'll have to write it from your own experience. And the third type of essay is expository. Now, in expository essays, these are not common essays. Basically, they are essays which explains a particular subject. Let's say, we're talking about gravity, or we're talking about some form of literature. Let's say we're talking about the French Revolution and you're writing all the details of that. So it is not common. Mizo si het topic hizilo. Nangin detail ta research na bola na zipa essay ho. That is an expository essay. The fourth essay is reflective essay. In reflective essays, what you usually do is you write on your thoughts and ideas of the given topic. Basically, they are abstract in nature, meaning they can be made up, they can be from your own perspective, what you actually think of the given topic. Imaginative type of essay, the last type of essay is the type of essay wherein you write based on your imagination and the situations. You're not the one who has experienced whatever topic has given to you. For example, imaginative topics are very common, especially here in Manipur, Manipur-based books. What they usually ask you to write is, suppose, let's say, write an essay if you were the principal of Lighthouse School, for example. You are not the principal of Lighthouse School, but you have to write as though you are one. You have to imagine of the situations or the events which you will come across if you were the principal of Lighthouse School. So basically, that type of essay is called imaginative essays. There are a few characteristics of an essay. The first is basically all your ideas and your points regarding the topic should only focus on the topic. You cannot go everywhere. Lasit nga tilyosi na zi dihilo. A topic si ato confine ni hindi. Gamtin say hom dihilo. Topic to relate na ball hindi. That is the first characteristic of an essay. The second is your content. Whatever you're writing, na paragraph, what's of order ka na zi ngay na. Abul alay ale kituk na umdi. Abula zi ding loy to na lang na zi thilo. Hilo wal alay la to chop le lu na zi thilo. Order cut, systematic order cut hina follow ngay. That is the second characteristic of an essay. The third is your content should be brief, concise, and to the point. Meaning, like we said earlier, hiltamta gamtin adarkar lo ahilo wala say ngay lo ho to tamta na say hom lo de. To the points, ang pit na point ho katset na to answer to na ball de. Saudi heti manacho tamta na ziding yung hipoy. You'll be given a particular number of words you can use in that essay. Hiti sunga to point tamta na kumlut hay na di nga to ako laibo to na kisende na. That is the third characteristic of an essay. The fourth is you need to use simple and direct language. When you're writing an essay, you're putting in your ideas and your expressions in that essay. Na thilzi chu mi sim dinga na zi na nang sim dinga bo na zi hi lo ja chu na pau man chu English ka hena hi lo wai le pau ho chu ka hena ka thim nai ti mana chu vocabulary ha ta man ho ngai lo. You just have to put it simple. Mi he thei dinga na zi ngai he. That is the fourth and the last characteristic of an essay. Coming to the next topic, we will learn about the parts of an essay. Basically, an essay, no matter what type it is, let it be descriptive, narrative, expository, reflective, or imaginative, all should follow three parts. All should have these three parts. The first is the introduction. Akipat na introduce na essay to iti introduce nan bolam. That is the introduction part. Secondly, it should have the body. And the third part is the conclusion. Now, in the introduction, you need to remember that this is the opening of the essay. Essay pat na introduction ahin. So first paragraph part ho, that is your introduction. So you need to make sure that whenever somebody is reading your essay, board hilo ngai na hilo na diwa chu na introduction part here. It has to be very interesting. It has to be striking, and you don't have to write 4 or 5 paragraphs of the introduction part. Maybe 1 or if not 2, introduce na bol na a topic chu iti nahin pat deham chipacho nahin pat theina dinga chu introduction part hi ahi theitana. It has to be interesting, striking, brief, and short. Remember that. And the second part, when you're writing an essay, the body hi atupi here. Body hi tua na topic part so a detail yo si to body he na. Sia hi your body hi, the body part of the given topic can consist of many paragraphs. Paragraph khat se sia ji chai te de ti nom lo. Paragraph tam thim lo na koi thina paragraph was a chom lo yong the asaw lo yong the. But make sure that whatever you're writing about the given topic, all is confined here in the body section. Now, the third part of an essay is the conclusion. Conclusion hi achai na pena kisi ho introduction ki bola amana body part ki sema aban a conclusion ki conclusion no it is as important as the introduction. When you are writing an essay, when you are finishing it up, you need to focus again on what you have written in the introduction part and also the body part. Put lo wachum gamo acha yeng di lo. Acha na same part in introduction, the body at ipinan na ziam. It just summarize naga abol din na. Chom macho naga azili. Conclusion nong hi introduction tabang banga to sauta azi ngai lo. Chom chayong na chay the. But remember that it should not end abruptly. Put lo waga amo acha yeng di lo. Ngi khan pe te hen essay chu. Cho du essay chu cho cha hi mark na score the here. Now, suppose I give you an example of an essay. You have to write an essay. So you need to prepare in such a way that your essay is flawless and can give you the maximum marks you can attain. Now, while preparing to write an essay, the first and most important point you have to make sure you do is you need to read and understand the topic well. You can't just go about taking a pen and a pen and a paper and start writing right off. You read the topic, ipi idea ham topic, ipi essay ham topic, kui thu essay ham, ipi saying 80 ham teacher, pat the kaya na het ngai na. Second is you need to start thinking of all ideas under the topic. Suppose you are supposed to write as though you are the principal of Lighthouse School. Now you need to think, principal Lighthouse School kahil ipi kabol ding ipi ham ipi na ato ham huilai ham to school hi ipi ham principal ho na to ipi ham thilpha ipi bol thiam pressure ipi mam tam ta idea ho uses na gel panditai cha hai na. Abante le third point hi if it's possible na paper ham ahilo wala question paper ham alo le na throa na gyal the na lunga na gyal the yong le follow. However, aba is it na dinga so lekha piece niaw cha cha ninga ko pencil ham khana ko heading type mana ga kizi di hena amasa pe na hin introduction na hin chi kazi ding he tipa chu points anan koi de taye thiltam ta na gel komte na chun thiltam ta ho chu point wise ana gel lo mai the hin ahin la chipa hi nazi phate na point wise ana si te te ngai ja chu you start arranging these headings, these ideas for thirdly fourth na na lunggel ho yo si na idea ho yo si chu heading khat khat nan pi a chinoi noi as nan koi form di aki low pa chu na koi form di aki low be ase lo ho chu chum chu ma na ga hen di order khat na ki sim de na ji te na chu abula ji din chu le la hin ki ji kha in lang ale a ji din chu lai la ham kha in ki ji kha la chu hoi lo be he na ne se chu asim ho ding a yong sim num be ase lo thanup loading ten le mark na mu form lo di hin you need to arrange all your notes under headings and they should follow a systematic order. Achai na fifth na hi personal opinion ti nang ma lunggel nang ma idea ho na het lu te te nga ye min ipi gelam min ipiti azi am se se ja thupi te lo nangin zong na gela ipi ka ga ha be thei di bhai ipi ka ga sei be thei di bha ke lunggel ipam tiong chu na podo nga he sia chu sija hi esi ho hi azi ho hin a team ho ko mizi a sang a hungza chum ama ho personal opinion an khum du phat ne kon hoi je ma hungza chum ji chai na hi suppose heading ho na ke sim chai tai hi lawal idea ho yo si na ke khum tu so kai tai na zi pan tai na hin zi pat phat no na zi a hi le kon na lunggel yung ki tham che che de na you'll start thinking of other points to add so whatever comes to your mind you can keep adding to the point. But remember, even when you're adding points to the given topic or to the given heading, order to repetitive work lo. However, make sure you follow an order. So basically what you have to do is your ideas and points should all be gathered under a heading or an outline. Ideas, points, headings, outlines, and then form your conclusion out of these ideas. HSLC exam bosema exam hi marks question pattern a umin. Iti pattern hi kumizan ham khat hindi sima ki khialong hin 2020-21 syllabus dumzuye yongchun a pattern hi ti hin umin. Essay writing here it will consist of a total of 7 marks. 7 marks in carried here. Amasa achun comprehension evolving comprehension pachu 10 marks ahin. Hitipahi 7 marks. Ya tamatam he 7 marks question khat bonung ki pedinga. 7 marks hi akyahop danum ki ne na. 2 marks plus 5 marks ahin. 2 marks hi knowledge. It's a format ho ne he nam a bol zidan iti ne he nam. Chipachu na knowledge 2 marks na mude. 5 marks pa hile nangma opinion na lunga na gel na opinion na idea ho chu ipiti na hinzi do am itin express am ti a chu 5 marks um ke vekedi so this 7 marks for your topic your title and how you put your ideas into paragraphs ititi point is all systematic order kati jo se na follow la sunga ipinazi pa masanga chu na goal dan ho na thima topic ho na ki su tu chana hal se am chu 2 marks na mu the aba na 5 marks pa hi itin na mu the am cha hi le sei banga chu na grammar na english chu itin na manam a flow chu ipiti chi am na lunggel chu ipiti nan ki thamam abul lang hui lang ham alaila ale ititi a goal na am iti aziam ki ho yo si him ki vekedi that will carry 5 marks. That is basically the mark pattern. Question pa ipiti hin do azivam tia ipi hin do anum zivam HSLC exam ten hin tia hile either or question hi zina question khat se na ki pia chi topic nga hin essay to zin tipu vinte ma hon bol you question hi thum li chang hin pe zivin it's all I na day pen ki henin lang essay to zin ati mo me this is what they have been doing for a couple of years now. Questions mainly ask chikalong ha kidong BSF pon aha do ano mi climate change environmental issue or relation ahi question khat adong no movin or hititay lawang chu adang option na kipidio so social evils to laya let's say drug abuse kiti ho na kiti ho chungcha nga hi esi ham khat nan zi sa mai theu Trong either or get them. Abanle, ado ano mi student life, school scenario, importance of newspaper, kiti ho. It's why very frequently asked questions here. So when you prepare for your exam, let's say for the essay part, remember hitabang ho issue ho hi kidong no mahisa tabang issue related questions so I make prepare you na dang tam ta na vet ngai po most importantly climate change, environmental issues, social evils, school scenario, student life, say importance of, let's say, library, importance of technology, importance of newspapers, computers, ti ho ta bang tamzo hi co-curricular activities, ay lola discipline, role of students in politics kiti ita bang nahon very easily relate na bol the topic hoy nahon ki dong view he and abay na khatsu given topic ho ahi ma hoin outline han tis you he na abula chun introduction na chun chomcha cha outline hi chi naga asi the he drug abuse to ipiham chichu zi masan hi lola laila body adinga chun drug abuse hi ipi boy na umam society iti to kham student ho iti to kham family iti to kham achai na conclusion achun nang ma lungge lipi ham nang ma personal experience pam ti outline hi nong ke pediu he na question na cho cha it becomes easier halo hil he si so that is basically the marks and the question pattern for your HSLC exams. This is an example here. Question he HSLC exam 2016 as nakidongin. Kasi ibang so write an essay on any one of the following topics at here. Topic khat si na pilo na option na PPE yung masa importance of newspaper. Outline ki pi he kati banga chalai introduction na pinazi tayam naga kizi di abala what newspaper provides. Newspaper apa na ipiphatsumam. Mirror of public opinion and its responsibility. Mipi lunggel, public lunggel, ahin po do ahis as a newspaper in ama responsibility to lead. Hina tabang wal hinazi di abana conclusion. Outline abo ana na kipi ay outline kipi man outline si so nazi ding adang nazi lehil de ti na hidi po yan nang yon lunggel long ka chun haple de importance of newspaper, co-curricular activities, drug abuse ti hoye frequently asked na kung izanam ka available lang kidong yun nang naki prepare to exam dinga hibay lam ta. That will be your writing section, essay writing from section B. Coming now to your home assignment, write an essay on any one of the following. This is your home assignment. Naday pen topic 2 makipage line discipline, importance of newspaper, climate change. So thum line na day pen then so nakilena essay hinzi na is all parts of the essay ti ho characteristics of essay preparation iti naki prepare ham ti ho upon in video to put it on ngai ha binang so try and see if you can work on these topics. If required, we will also discuss a couple of essays in your coming videos. That will be all for class 9 and 10 students regarding grammar and composition and from your essay writing component of your writing section, section B. Thank you.